Hi guys, this is Vondessa J. Y'all, today is, oh God, what is the day? It's a nasty day. Today is Tuesday. I was supposed to upload the video on tomorrow. I will not be able to. I'm just getting off work. I am getting ready to head home. Due to the weather here in Georgia, I am going to change my date for upload. Oh shoot, had my window down. I'm changing my upload date to Sunday at 12 p.m. Y'all, it is a ridiculous mess right now. Red lights are out, everything here on my side of Georgia. So guys, this is just an update to let you know that the patio is completely done. I was going to film that today after I got off of work, but unfortunately guys, I can't. So the new upload date and date is Sunday, and it's at 12 o'clock. So I will see y'all on Sunday. Bye.